Guys, it can't be environmental day kama sijafanya kitu ya maana, so what I've decided Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Yvonne KK Squad. Na leo nimeamua kujam cause guys, nimechoka kukaa coronavirus. Okay, so this is the life now. This is the life. Every day is every day. Anyways, be safe. Make sure to keep meditating, keep learning, keep doing things, keep enjoying. Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. Guys, just scratch that. I was trying to be musical on the cup. Backfire. Anyway guys, nangoja birds zikuje by the way. Nimetwekea food. How will I attract the birds? Ama zinaogopa. Kuna nyiko pale juu kwa rooftop iko like, bro, get in the house, I need to eat that food. Baby, it's fine, I'm fine with you, come. Have your bite. Nimewekea. Yeah, come bitch, come. Nimekata. Sijui niingie kwa nyumba, but no. I'll be patient. I'll pretend that I've slept. Nione kama zimetusoma hizi birds. But sidhani. Tutaangalia brain yao, IQ. We'll research on that. Anyway guys, happy Earth Day 50th. Yes, 2020. It just had to happen on Meru yenye iko ndani yangu guys. I love it though. Anyway, kuna joto jingi. So kukinyesha, we really do appreciate kwa sababu it cools the environment. Tunasikia refreshed. Yeah guys, for the people who don't know where I am right now, I'm in Diani. Yeah, so guys, tunawapenda personally. I love you so much, all my friends. Guys, ikitia haters, it's cliché, yo. So all my friends out there, you friend of mine, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's talk, please. I'm bored. Okay, tufanye challenges, tujibambe, because guys, you need to release the energy, positivity. It's all about positivity. Please try and be an optimist. Woo! Nimetoka vizuri. Optimist. Yeah, be an optimist person. Oh guys, today is the day. Anyways, if the birds are zikujibra, guys, please come and eat. Oye. Okay, guys, I'm about to get into the house. Juu nimekataa kukula nikiwa hapa, so I don't know how I'll do it. I say, please subscribe to my channel. Jamani. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let's talk, you know.